Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we learned how to add fingerprint in OnePlus 10 Pro smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the settings of the phone. Then choose passwords and security. Then click fingerprint. Now enter your pattern. Now click on add a fingerprint. Then click OK. Now need to press your finger on the fingerprint area. Then take the finger. Press and take the finger. So every time you touch the fingerprint sensor, you need to change the position of your finger like this. Now the fingerprint is added successfully. Now we check the screen lock. Now the phone is unlocked with my fingerprint. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.